Hello students and welcome to my class. Today we will learn how to do addition and subtraction of fractions. See, addition and subtraction of fraction involves the knowledge of like and unlike fractions. So I hope you are well familiar with these different kind of fractions. So let's start. Rule 1, to add or subtract two like fractions. So remember, whenever you are having like fractions and you need to add or subtract them. So what you have to do, you have to simply just add their numerators. आपको simply बस उसके numerators को add या subtract करना है और denominators आपके same रहेंगे. So let's see how to do. Simply now add the numerators. So this will be 3 plus 7 upon the denominator is same as 11. So this is 10 upon 11. The final answer. As simple as that. Just remember this rule that add or subtract the numerators. Then here second case, the denominators are same means like fractions. So simply subtract the numerators and write down the common denominators. So this is 5 upon 9. Right? Yes. Now rule 2. Rule 2 says that how you can add or subtract different fractions if it is the case of unlike fractions. So for this, what you have to do, you have to convert this unlike fractions into like fractions by first taking the LCM of the denominators. So if I take the LCM of 4 and 5, it is equals to the multiplication of all the products, whether they are common factors and the uncommon factor of 4 and 5. So see, in 4 and 5 there is no common factor. Both are uncommon. Both have uncommon factors. So simply multiply 4 by 5 to get the LCM. So we get the LCM as 20. Now what we have to do, we have to just simply convert this 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 5 to equivalent fractions with denominator 20. So let us do this. 3 upon 4 needs to be converted to the equivalent fraction with denominator 20. So for this we have multiplied this 4 by 5 and also this 3 by 5. So it is now 15 upon 20 and here it is 2 upon 5 when converted into this equivalent fraction. This is going to be multiplied by 4. So this will be 8 upon 20. Okay. Now here both the numbers are converted into like fractions. These unlike fractions are now converted into like fractions. Now just simply we have to add the numerators. So this is going to be 15 plus 8 upon 20, which is equals to 23 upon 20. And if you convert it into mixed fraction form, as this is the improper one, so we can also write it in this form, right? And remember, the original fractions were 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 5. And instead of writing 3 upon 4, I have written 15 upon 20. And instead of writing 2 upon 5, I have written 8 upon 20. Okay. So like this, we have done. Yes, there is also a second method known as the butterfly method. And here what we have to do, we have to simply make a butterfly, a beautiful butterfly. Let's see, this is 3 upon 4 and this is 2 upon 5. Now we will try to make a butterfly here. So we will first make this wing of the butterfly, then the second wing of this butterfly, and the base of the butterfly. This is the base of the butterfly. Okay. Now let me do some kind of artwork here. So this is the butterfly. Now what I have to do, whatever operation, whether we have to add or subtract, keep it as it is in the center. Okay. Now the steps here involves the cross multiplication. So 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 can be written here as the cross multiplication of 3 and 5 added, 3 and multiply, 3 multiplied by 5, cross multiplication. So it's 3 multiplied by 5 added to 2 multiplied by 4 and divided by the multiplication of the denominators. So like this you can also do. So 3 5s are, you know, it's 15 and 2 4s are is 8. So this is upon 20. Finally, we got here 23 upon 20. Or I can say 1 integer 3 upon 20. So I hope this method, this beautiful butterfly method is also clear to you. And remember, it is comparatively very simple than the previous one. But you have to practice both of this method. Okay. Next one. Similarly, 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 4. See, denominators are different, means these are the unlike fractions. So first need to convert it into like fractions, and for that we need to find out the LCM of 8 and 4. Okay, 8 and 4 का LCM निकालना पड़ेगा, जो कि आएगा common factors multiplied by the uncommon factors of both 8 and 4. So the common factor is 4. Okay, and the uncommon one is 2. So the LCM is 8. Now see the denominator of the first fraction. Already it is 8. No need to change here. But in the second fraction, need to multiply it by 2. So 3 upon 4 can be converted into 8 as the denominator, and here I need to multiply by 2 like this. Okay. So therefore, what we can write, 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 4 can be written as 7 upon 8 minus 6 upon 8. Or I can say 7 minus 6 upon 8, or it is equals to simply 1 upon 8. Okay, clear? Now next. This can also be done using the butterfly method. Okay, second method. So this is 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 4. Draw a beautiful butterfly here. First wing, second wing, and the base body of your butterfly. Then the eyes, beautiful eyes, and the curve. Yes, the butterfly is ready. And now just simply solve it. So this is equals to 7 fours are. First practice it in this way, and once you practice it, then just simply see and write down the product. See and write down the product. Okay. So like this, 8 threes are, that is 24. Instead of writing 8 threes, you can directly write 24. This will help you in competitive exams, right? So this method is well and good for the competitive ones. So this is 28 minus 24 upon 32, which is given by 4 upon 32. And if you find its simplest form, it is also 1 upon 8. So remember, this answer is the same as in the previous method. Okay. Now, yes, calculate 2 integer 1 upon 3 added to 1 integer 1 upon 2. So simply add. So look at here. These are the mixed fractions. So first need to be converted these mixed fractions into improper ones. So this is 7 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2. So these are the unlike fractions. So here I am using the LCM method. So if you find out the LCM, it is 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So LCM कितना आएगा यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर्स का 6. सिंपली अब 7 upon 3 को आप कन्वर्ट करने जाएंगे और 3 upon 2 को आप कन्वर्ट करने जाएंगे. So you will be getting here 14 upon 6 and here you will be getting 9 upon 6. And now apply rule 1. Because the base are same, so simply apply rule 1. 14 plus 9 is 23 upon 6. And if you're gonna convert it, then it is 3 integer 5 upon 6. Okay, so this is how you can solve it. Now, next one, again this mixed fraction converted into improper ones. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 upon 2 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 3, that is 9 upon 2. So that means the same base, so apply rule 1, 11 minus 9 upon 2. 11 minus 9 is 2 upon 2, that is 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so this is all from my side. I hope the method of addition and subtraction of fractions is quite clear to you. But from my end, do practice it and ask in the comment box if you find any doubts.